In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Microsoft Teams, specifically focusing on accessing the chat feature to ensure seamless communication with your colleagues or friends. Whether you're new to Microsoft Teams or just need a little guidance, this tutorial will walk you through the simple steps needed to get chatting. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by opening Microsoft Teams. You'll typically find this application on your computer's desktop or within your Start menu. For those of you using a web version, simply open your preferred internet browser and search for Microsoft Teams, then log in with your credentials. Once you're in the Teams interface, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. At the heart of Microsoft Teams is its versatility. It allows collaboration through an array of features, but today our focus is on chat. Next, you'll need to navigate over to the Chat section. On a computer, you'll find this option on the left-hand side of the screen. It's represented by an icon that looks like a speech bubble. Quite fitting, right? If by any chance you don't see it right away, don't worry. Microsoft Teams is a comprehensive tool with a lot of information at a glance, so it can sometimes be overwhelming. If the chat icon isn't visible, use the search bar located at the top middle of your screen. This bar is a powerful tool. You can search for conversations or the names of colleagues or friends whose chats you want to revisit. This search capability ensures that no conversation ever truly disappears. It's like a digital archive storing your past interactions, so feel free to type in a contact's name or a keyword from the conversation, and Teams will pull up the relevant threads for you. Once you've accessed your chat, you're essentially done with the major steps. From there, it's all about enjoying the conversation and making the most out of the chat feature. You can reply to ongoing discussions, start new ones, or even send files and media if needed. It's a straightforward process, but don't forget, practice makes perfect. Using chat regularly will help you feel more confident and efficient. And there you have it. Navigating to the chat feature in Microsoft Teams is as easy as 1, 2, and done. Just remember, the key is familiarity and not being afraid to use the search function when in doubt. Whether you're engaging in a team project or simply keeping in touch, Teams chat function is invaluable for fostering connection and collaboration. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to explore more features of Teams at your own pace, and don't hesitate to ask questions if you need further assistance. Happy chatting, everyone!